forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the MTN8. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Colorado's 1. I'm joined by Unkamulo.
Stivo, yeah, I am very disappointed, Stivo.
You know what, my brother?
No, I think this game was an obvious one.
Yeah.
You know, it was obvious that St. Lula were going into the next round, but unfortunately, we failed to capitalize on the first 45 minutes. We had so many chances. You know, we had an open net, Stivo. You know, it was an open net. We should have won the game in the first 45 minutes, but we couldn't. But credit when he choose Stivo, because last season got this complaint with I'm a player with, especially the youngsters, they're not getting an opportunity. But man, they play beyond the 50 minutes, 60 minutes, Abo Vilagazi, Bartman, and so forth. So that's something that we should give credit to. And also one player that I should give credit to is Mtasingwa. I mean, the killer passes are too good. I also need to give credit to Umabu, although he was not onto his A game. Agadlalanga the way I always expect him to play. But credit to the boys, man. If not Kaizer Chiefs, then what team, you know? So what I can say to the boys, to the team, to the Mtaung family, you know, we head on, you know, up to the next game. We continue supporting the club that we love. We'll be there even Kemes Kukuna, we'll be there even Kemes Sundowns. I'm a coach for life.
Thank you, leadership.